What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a great January 3rd. In today's video, we're basically going to be talking about how to go from basically like $0 or very limited capital to $100, $1,000, $10,000 in a very short period of time. Basically, we're going to be talking about how to flip items on eBay and the various other marketplaces. We're going to be sticking to eBay because I like it. It's already got millions of people and eyes on it all the time, and it's free traffic that eBay is providing to you for free. So use it. Specifically, I want to talk about how I personally went from a $7 flip to basically $350 in like 2 weeks. It was under 2 weeks. Everything sold relatively quick, and these were relatively light packages that I could ship out for, I think, like $5. I would ship these packages out for, and you're probably sitting there saying to yourself, all right, where do I get these items, these flips from? All right, basically go to Craigslist, go to the free section, and look up literally anything. Like refresh until your eyes bleed, and you will find something that's at a discounted price, something that someone's literally giving away for free, that you can go grab and then come back and list it on eBay or Mercari or any of the other various marketplaces, and then someone will probably buy it. You know, this is literally dubbed the Gary V method, guys. And specifically, if you guys want other great flips that are key sellers, look for appliances, sports cards, toys, and like old video games or things these are personally things that I sell like on my eBay page and that I sell on Mercari and I sell through Facebook Marketplace. And like a super helpful tip, guys, like Facebook Marketplace is super slept on, guys. You can find items oftentimes like Craigslist on the free section through Facebook Marketplace. I'm telling you, Facebook groups, you guys, like people will literally post, hey, I've got an old refrigerator that I'm throwing out, I needs to be gone tonight or something, on the Facebook group. And like I'm telling you, you go, you grab it, it's $100 in scrap. Or you go, you grab it. Sometimes will be like working ovens, working fridges, working washers, working dryers. People oftentimes just like give away entire collections of sports cards. Oftentimes people have like leftover things at yard sales that they're just not gonna use, or they're like gonna go to Goodwill or like the Salvation Army, and they'll be like, all right, come and pick it up from here, porch pickups. You know, super slept on, guys, underrated. Like use Facebook Marketplace, I'm telling you, super underrated. And I only bring up Facebook Marketplace because this is literally where this $350 webcam flip came from. Like I was chilling one day, I'm scrolling through Facebook Marketplace, and I'm like, webcams. I'm like, okay. So I go there, Logitech webcams, guys. Like I've got 2 of them. I'm like, okay. He's like, I want, I think, $30 for them. I was like, all right, I'll give you 15, you know. And he's like, I've got actually 7 of them if you're interested. And I'm like, 7? Okay, yeah, I'll definitely come check it out. He's like, all right, come by tomorrow. He's actually got 7 brand new webcams. I'm like, this would actually make the perfect Christmas gift. So I went up, bought all 7 of them. He literally only wanted $50 from me, trying to get rid of them, and I snagged them up and listed them. I gave away 2 for Christmas, and the rest were able to be sold off and make $350 worth of profit. Literally, if I would not have looked on my phone and checked through Facebook Marketplace, I would have probably missed that flip. And it just goes to show, like, Facebook Marketplace super slept on. And went from a $50 bundle of 7 webcams, which comes out to, I think, like $7.28 per webcam, to a $300 flip in 5 minutes.